This is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Wanted to stop by like really quick. Y'all know how I do. And show a couple of pages from the Jewelry by BDK digital magazine that was launched on this past Sunday. And if you have not signed up for our email list, you can go over to jewelrybybdk.com and go ahead and do that now. And also, we're looking for submissions for next month's magazine. So if you make candles, if you paint, if you whatever handmade something that you create, you can send images to info@jewelrybybdk.com. And we'd like to see what it is that you do so we can kind of look through some. We already got three people that submitted. So we're looking for some more. So as many that want to submit so we can just kind of, have some choices, not even just for um, next month's magazine, but for the following month and then the following month and then the month after that because the magazine is going to be a monthly publication. So I would like to include other jewelry designers or artisans or people who make whatever it is that they make with their hands. I would love to include you in the magazine. So at some point, it will be your bio. It'll be images of your products and just whatever information you want to share. And that's how a picture of yourself too, though, a picture of you, images of your products, and then a bio for you. So submissions can be sent to info@jewelrybybdk.com. And then to sign up to get on the email list, you can go to jewelrybybdk.com. And then you can just go ahead and submit to our email list. So I just want to show you a couple pages in the magazine, and if you haven't already seen it, go ahead to jewelrybydk.com, submit, join the email list, and then it'll be sent right out to you. So, of course, on the cover page, it's Darlene, that's myself. And we'll go through. Of course, you'll find pretty pictures of handmade jewelry. This is, of course, Darlene. And it's a magazine, and it's meant to be a magazine, and it's meant to be articles are going to include more so for the next edition, social media strategies, social media planning, um, business information, just a lot that has to do about business, social media strategies, and just a lot of good information. I mean, a lot of good stuff. So, of course, this is the welcome to page, and then we have the article, Find Your Personal Style. And then, of course, life is unpredictable by lots of jewelry. And then we have another, Selling Handmade Jewelry Online. And I'm not going to go through the whole magazine. I'm going to actually stop right here. So, and it's about 30 pages. So if you haven't received the digital magazine, you're welcome to be able to receive it by submitting to our email list. And then that way I can email it out to you. One of the articles here is online marketplaces for selling handmade jewelry. And then we have a nice little list here of different places where you can sell online, and just all that good stuff. So, upcoming digital magazines will be full of information. It will be This particular magazine is 30 pages. You can see that right here. It's 30 pages. I'm on page 9 and 10. And the next edition will have more articles. It'll have more articles, and like I said, they will always be full of information about business, about social media, how to use social media, to market your product, how to just become a master at social media, hopefully, right? So, just wanted to stop by and share this and say I hope everybody is doing well and everybody is staying busy. One of the ladies asked me if I would do a video showing how I make the crosses, because I think the previous video I was showing uh maybe showing in there the men necklaces where I make the crosses. I really don't want to do a video showing the crosses. Some stuff I just kind of like to keep to myself, and that's like one of those with the crosses. But thank you for asking. Some stuff I just want to keep, and that would happen to be one of those, the crosses that I make, the men necklaces. And again, just want to stop by. Hope everybody is doing well, and we'll talk soon.